afternoon, everyone. My name is Faith Siku. I am a brand ambassador, sales manager for Sounds of Azania. It was a great day. We came out here. We strategically, invited everyone to come out. The community here in the Ward 91 here in GP's Town, we literally just came to inform people and encourage people and to know that there is so much work that needs to be done, and this work will then actually need everyone in our communities to just be actively participating in rebuilding and reconstructing our economy. And we're just so excited. The turnout was just so great. Everyone was participating. It was just humbling and to see that we have so many young people who are looking, to rebuild, to kickstart this economy. We have so many young people with, interesting businesses that can grow. So with this beautiful strategic partnership with the City of Johannesburg, with Netbank that also came on board, we are just so hopeful, because I think as a radio station we were looking to see what is it that we can do, not only just be a radio station just talking on radio, but we brought radio into our communities and encourage this dialogue, these conversations that will have a positive impact in our economy. So this was just a great turnout. It was a great day. I can just foresee other communities also participating like this. So it was a great day, great partnership. I'm hopeful that South Africa will emerge as a better and a thriving and a flourishing economy in this continent. So thank you so much.
Good afternoon all, it's Charlton Dibble from the COJ Economic Development Department, representing Enterprise Development. I'm a Center Manager at the Kwebo Opportunity Center. My primary focus is to ensure that we can put job seekers onto a database and provide jobs to them internally, but primarily we're focusing on SME development, which is number one, training workshops, access to Wi-Fi, access to business advisory services, and access to training and workshops. As you can see, we've just concluded a phenomenal outreach program in Ward 61. It went extremely well. We've had in excess of 70 people, and the whole basis of which we've come out here is to inspire, motivate, educate people around what is it that the City of Joburg is actually doing and how we can assist job seekers together with SMEs growing their businesses. The response was phenomenal. The questions and answers were excellent, and so now we're looking forward to actually customizing something going forward where we can actually bring further workshops of this nature in order to take these small businesses forward so that it actually becomes a catalyst towards job creation.
Okay, my name is Patience Kumalo. I'm Mrs. South Africa semi-finalist. I attended this event today, and what I found, it was a very fruitful event, because it taught young people how to build their businesses and they also gave the clarity of how can you start a business, and if you wanted them to assist you in terms of finance, what else you can do.
I'd advise people to join these kind of initiatives, because it really helps for young entrepreneurs and also people that are looking for jobs, so that they can be more informed on what to do and things that to look into, especially if you want to start your own company. It's very informative. It really helps a lot.
The event it was very successful. Sifunde okukhulu ukuthi siqala njani business and how ukuthi sisebenzisana how to take business forward, ukukhulisa nje kanjalo. So far everything nje ihambe kahle nje.
My name is Cedric. I'm from Netbank, and we are excited to be here today to look at business literacy. Our expectation here is to share with the community the relationship between the bank and the client, and how to look at the funding to do the successful funding application, and to the mistakes to avoid, when approaching your bank for funding. We're looking at enhancing the relationship with our client as well as the new way of banking, which is a digital banking, to share the features and the benefits of digital banking, as well as to how to grow your business and the challenges facing the entrepreneurs when they're approaching their banks for funding. We're looking to more opportunities to share with the business people our financial expertise to grow their businesses as well for their financial wellness.
Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Sakhile Shongwe. I am part of this church leadership. I'm acting or working as a pastor and an elder or a bishop or a deacon. It depends which office you want to address me by. We have offered this venue to be used specifically by Sounds of Azania because we believe we share very similar values, we share very similar vision with them. We are a church, of course, we are GP's Town Local Church. We are registered as Ibandla Lenkosi Foundation.
My name is Elsie Maseko. I attended the business session from the COJ and Netbank. I think the right thing that I've learned in this is that it empowers us as the community of GP, and we are very grateful to Netbank and the COJ to come up with all these projects so that we can empower ourselves, because we know that there's no jobs, but we can create our own jobs now, and how to do that and how to go about it and get all the necessary documents that we need for our businesses. So we thank Netbank and the COJ for the opportunity that they've given us, making sure that we are part and parcel of their vision. Thank you so much.
So thank you very much. Because the space is set to but this space is set to smile, which is accommodator, won't be able to observe the protocols in COVID. So thank you very much to the church, and thank you very much to economic development, and thank you very much to Netbank, and also thank you very much to Sons of Azania.